Hi and welcome to another video. This one here has been a long time coming. This little baby here, we're going to do a taste test on that today. And anybody who's had a look at some of my other videos would have seen that about 8 months ago, I did a couple of videos on making alcohol from bread. It's a Mesopotamian process done by the Sumerians about 8,000 years ago, where they made alcohol from bread. Yes, it's tried and proven. It's documented. It's a process which is well done. Now, whereas originally those Sumerians would have actually made a bread porridge, which was fermented, and then they would have flavoured that with date juice and whatever other flavour botanicals that they wanted to actually use. I decided to actually leave my beer a la natural. So as it fermented, I took some of that out, put it in this bottle, and lo and behold, 8 months later on, it is cleared to be a really nice, clear ale. This is the beer that the Sumerians would have been drinking. But albeit that they were drinking it in a porridge format with a lot of other junk and rubbish and bread and whatever in. But there, that's going to be the taste test today. Now, interestingly enough, I did a bit more research. Mesopotamia had 4 groups of people. There's the Sumerians, Assyrians, Akkadian, and Babylonians. Now, whereas we know the Sumerians were actually making beer, it's pretty wise or pretty safe to assume that the Assyrian, Akkadian, and Babylonians were also doing exactly the same. So, when in Rome, do as the Romans do. But I'm going to do a taste test today. Now, as a trial, I have one of my regular ales, which is a Corona Extra. Actually, funny story about that. We're going through our process of having our needle jabs for the coronavirus. So I actually went into the bottle shop to get some of this just after I had my second jab. And they were talking about it generally. And I says, yeah, I know, I got my second jab today. And they says, so you're getting a coronavirus beer or Corona beer just to celebrate your coronavirus jab, are you? It didn't strike me until I was on my way home what she was talking about. But anyway, that's good. That's our test case. Now, the Sumerian beer, I'm going to crack that open now. It's been sitting in my cupboard for a long time. Now I'm going to gasify it. So I've got my soda stream here. I'm simply going to pour 500 and something mils into this bottle and use the gasifier I've got here. And really about there? Yeah, that's good. That's good. I'm going to be having a couple of beers tonight. I don't know what to expect. I've had a taste of this. I've had a taste of it flat, but that flat is no indication of what it's going to taste like when it's aerated. So we're about to find out. Hopefully I've got enough. Yeah, I've got enough in there. I've got enough. So I'm going to basically aerate this now. Well, it looks very frothy, doesn't it, hey? I'll do it again. What do you reckon? Third time lucky? That's good. So I've now aerated, or hang on a second. I've now got a very frothy substance which wants to froth everywhere. But anyway, it's been well carbonated. So now I'm going to see if I can actually take this off without doing exactly that. So be prepared, eh? I'm going to put that down there. So anyway, that has been successfully carbonised. Please excuse the dog barking. But it's been successfully carbonised. So that's my Sumerian beer. That's good. That can go out the way. Now I'm going to pour that into this glass here. It's got a nice head on it. my frothy beer from Samaria. Now I'm going to pour some of my Corona beer into this other one here. And we're going to sample them. Please stop, dog. Here we go, the frothy 8,000-year-old beer formula. It tastes like a mild bitter beer. It does. It tastes like a mild bitter beer. It's rather pleasant. Another one. Now the Corona. It's a lot more watery. This has got a sort of a creamy flavour to it, but it's clear. But at the end of the day, if I was sitting down at a table in Mesopotamia with a big vat of this stuff in front of me, be about 6% alcohol by volume, I'd be very happy sitting down with the straw sucking it up. So, interesting. I've got an interesting afternoon ahead of me. I've got to empty, I feel obligated to empty that, but definitely empty that as well. I might save that bit for later. Well, there we go. The taste test, 8 months to reach this stage. Now, for anybody who's watching this video for the first time, I'll give a link to the 2 videos I made. The first one was basically using bread to make a batch of brew, but I was using half of it with amylase and half of it with barley. I was trying to simulate the natural way that the people 8,000 years would have done it. But and the second video was the distillation of that particular process too. So I'll put a link below if you actually want to have a look at that. It's been a very interesting project to get to this stage. As I said, I've been letting that sit in my cupboard for about 8 months, and it took quite a while to actually clarify, but I'm glad it did. I'm going to enjoy drinking it this afternoon. Well, it's been a fun project, this particular one. I've enjoyed doing it. Yes, you definitely can make a nice viable beer from bread. It was long and drawn out. Don't know whether I'd do it again, but as far as enjoying the process, yeah, I did. I enjoyed the process immensely. It's been a lot of fun. So 8,000 years ago, they were drinking this stuff. Now I'm drinking it today. So it's been a fun trip. If you've enjoyed watching this video or any of my other videos, please like, subscribe and share. It would help immensely with getting my videos more exposure around the world. I enjoy what I do, and hopefully you enjoy it too. So until the next time, cheers from Mesopotamia.